Hello. Package from Lock Noob from the UK Lock Sport forum. Going it with a nice sharp knife because I can't find my scissors anywhere. Knock the vice, mini fried eggs. Bless him. Thank you very much, mate. That's my tea sorted. And there should be, nicely sealed up, a little padlock from Lock Noob. Let's just get it open if I can. Here we go. This is where I slice my fingers off for the camera. Again. And it's a, come on, it's a master green padlock. What a lovely shade of green. I think we can all appreciate that. Now, the challenge was, there's 4 of these, all keyed alike, so they're getting sent out to various people, and basically it's a speed challenge to see if you can pick it first time out of the packet. So let's have a go. Let me just clear the cat hairs off everything. Honestly, she's a pain sometimes. We're in. Blimey, that was quick. Master lock. Picked and picked faster than I thought I would. Maybe I'm getting the hang of this after all. If anybody else wants in on the challenge, get on the forum, add your name to the list, you'll get one of the locks sent off to you. Cheers then. Ta-ra.